Hello friends, it's Sketchy, and today I want to teach you how to draw some eyeballs. Not just any eyeballs. I want to teach you how to draw a zombie eyeball. It's like brains. And the second one is going to be like an alien bug eye. Let's get started. Now the way I draw circles is by using my shoulder. My circles are usually pretty dang good because I don't use my fingers or wrist, and I just use my shoulder and elbow. Now let's do our zombie eye. A zombie doesn't have any pupils, and it's just all iris, and it's white, and it's like, I just want brains. So let's draw the iris right in the middle. And then let's draw like an eyelid that's really, really low, like this. And then another upper one that's really, really high. Like he's got his eyelids so open. It's really, really wide open eyes. So that means it's gonna be wrinkly up here. This line right here echoes the same shape as the eyeball, okay? And then we can have like little wrinkles in there. This one here, let's do a couple, maybe 3. Now, his eyes are not gonna be wet, so no specular highlight for zombie boy. But what we could do is draw some like veins, so start with light and then zigzag, and maybe like a little tree, like a little branch. Ooh. Super creepy. What we'll want to do is make sure that this, maybe one of the things we can do is like, kind of like not make this a perfect circle because he's like dead. So this line here will be really, really dark. Let's lock in all the details with a dark pencil. I'm going to draw a very, very dark line right here on the upper lid to cast a shadow. I'm going to draw this one right here like this. And a little bit of these other lines like this. Darken in the shape of his iris. And then let's lightly put in those veins. Ooh, creepy. We're gonna see his lower eyelid really, really easy. The edge of it. So let's draw like this. That smiley face kind of shape. And let's draw another line. The same shape, but a little bit thicker in the front. Okay? This is the shape. This is lower eyelid. And then we're gonna draw some wrinkles. Let's kind of get them to merge up at the top here. Yeah, ooh, that's awesome. And now I'm gonna darken this line here. And let's do the same, how we got an eyelid here. Let's draw another eyelid like this. Oh my gosh, that's super, super gross. And to help make it look like a real eyeball, like we did here, let's add a little shadow. I'm gonna use the side of my pencil and use the pointy part of the pencil right here on the edge of this line and just lightly sketch in all around here. I'm gonna have lots of shading, and if I want it darker, I can press a little bit harder or just keep going over it over and over and over again so it's really smooth. And if you keep doing this, it'll eventually look like a sphere. And you can definitely see the eyelid there. I'm gonna do the same thing right here. Now we got a zombie eye. Super creepy. Now let's draw an alien eye that is like a bug eye. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw it like an evil eye. So I'm gonna draw like a football shape, like from here to here, and then from here to here. And I'm going to draw a grid across the surface of this sphere. I'm gonna go ahead and draw all the way through this eyelid. Draw a line that divides it in half. So half of the sphere is on this side, half of the sphere is on this side. I'm gonna draw another, divide that in half again. As if it's gonna go back around the ping pong ball. Same thing over here. Goes around the ping pong ball. If you want to get really good at drawing ellipses and circles, be sure to download my tutorial. Now let's do the same thing. Let's draw it in half again. So half again. Half again. Half again. Okay, now let's do the same thing this way. We're going to draw the sphere in half like this. And then we will do, from these points, like a globe, we can go from here to there, and from here to there. So now what we've got is a whole bunch of little squares wrapped around that ping pong ball sphere. We're going to darken in these eyelid lines a little bit better. And then we can erase this stuff later. Let's lock in the details with our black pencil. Let me get a really good one. Okay. I'm going to draw a thin line here, and then it's going to get thicker over here. There we go. I'm going to completely ignore all these lines outside the shape of my evil eye. You can see it's thicker on the outside, outside edge instead of the inside. Now I'm going to trace these blue lines. And then same thing here. Now we got a buggy, alien kind of eye. And if you want to make it really cool looking, let's add a little shading. Once again, use the side of your pencil. And then lightly, ever so lightly, make your way up higher. I'm going to just do a little bit across the top here. Oh, that's really, really cool. Sweet. I'm gonna do a little bit whoop and whoop. And we did a zombie eye, like I want your brains. And then we did an alien eye that looks like a fly eye. And if it's a fly eye, actually, it's a whole bunch of eyes on an eye. It's called a compound eye. That's kind of nerdy, but still, it's true. Hey, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see all of my great lessons. See you later.